In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own community on Whop. This process will guide you from start to finish, helping you create a vibrant space for your audience, whether you're using platforms like Discord or Telegram, or opting for a community hosted directly on Whop. So let's dive in and explore how to establish your online presence step by step. First things first, open up Google Chrome and head over to whop.com. If you're already familiar with Whop and have an account, you can simply sign in. For those of you who are new to this, you'll need to create an account. It's a straightforward process and won't take more than a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Head over to the upper right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This drop-down menu will give you an option to select Dashboard. The Creator Dashboard is your command center where you can manage everything related to your products and communities. Now to get started with your community, let's create a new product. Locate and click the Create a Product button, which will prompt you to choose the type of product you want to develop. For this tutorial, we're focusing on building a community. Selecting this option will allow us to later integrate either Discord or Telegram, or take advantage of Whop's own hosting services. Choosing where your community will live is an important step. You can link your Discord or Telegram if you want to engage with your members on familiar platforms, or if you prefer keeping everything in one place, you can create a Whop-hosted community. Consider what works best for your audience and stick with that. Next, you'll want to set up membership tiers. This is where you determine how your community members will subscribe. Select from monthly, yearly, or even lifetime access. You can also create various membership tiers such as Basic, Premium, or VIP, each offering different levels of access or perks depending on what suits your content and business goals. Once you've set pricing, it's time to customize your community's page. This involves adding a catchy name, an engaging description, and eye-catching graphics like a banner or logo. Highlight the unique benefits your community offers, such as exclusive content, industry signals, or coaching sessions to grab potential members' attention. Now, if you're using Discord or Telegram, integrate access by linking these platforms with your Whop account. This integration ensures that members automatically receive access upon subscribing, seamlessly linking payment to participation. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, don't forget to publish your product. Click Publish, and your community is live. You'll receive a unique Whop product link, which you can effortlessly share on your social media, website, or even in your TradingView bio to drive traffic and growth. Remember, once your community is live, head back to the dashboard regularly to manage your community. This is where you'll track your subscribers, assess revenue, and manage renewals, keeping your finger on the pulse of your community's health and success. And that's a wrap for today. You're now ready to create and cultivate your thriving community on Whop.